Welcome to Chessington World of Adventures here on Saturday the 10th of September, and we've come to have a look at the world of Jumanji. But first, of course, in the background you can see the new Jungle Bus is now in situ. It's not open yet. They're going through some extensive testing at the moment. You can see the sandbags on it. And of course we did say this ride would be back for 2022, and we stand firm by the fact that it will reopen this year, hopefully in time for Halloween, and take some of the pressure off the other rides, because it was really popular, Kurt. Really popular. Looking good, looking fresh. So we're here for World of Jumanji. We're going to show you, we did show you yesterday on our socials some pictures of the supports which have arrived, which are now on site. We're going to try and get some footage of those for you today, and of course more has happened to the Jaguar structure and indeed the groundwork around World of Jumanji. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let's get on with the show. Here we are at the World of Jumanji, opening at Chessington in spring 2023, and I'm telling you now, this is the best part of construction, as we know that steel has arrived on track, Cody.
Yep.
Oh my God, steel is here, and I tell you, there's so many changes since we last come to the park. So many changes, including the structure, the Jaguar structure down the back, which is completely, I say nearly, actually, it's nearly completely done in terms of the shape. Can't wait to see what colour it is. As we said, there are now supports on site, Kurt.
Yeah.
It won't be long to the track. We did say end of August, beginning of September, supports would arrive, which they have. Now then, we're going to go and get you some shots now from around the area before heading out and summarising some of the exciting changes which are happening here at Chessington. People think they're going to win, though. That's the point. That's the danger, isn't it?
That's why they win.
as we look over to the Jaguar in the background, that is the end of our update, brings a close of our huge update here from Chessington World of Adventures. I couldn't be more excited, genuinely couldn't be more excited about what is happening at the park. Now, since we were here just over a week ago, it really wasn't that long, the biggest development obviously is that supports have started arriving. You can see them. They're a light browny colour, which is kind of expected. The whole thing's going to look like a tree, really. Light brown, green track, dark green track. That has started arriving and been placed on site. We've got some shots of them on the way in. All that is included in the video. You can head to our website, Chessington World, if you want to see just the pictures. So the supports are on site, which is just incredible, absolutely incredible. That means we are now full systems go. In top of that, the groundwork where the flat rides are going to go is really apparent now, like really apparent. The station has been completely built up, it's been raised slightly, and concreting's been done. More's been done in the maintenance shed as well, and very importantly, because although the supports have arrived, no guarantee they were going up yet, the footers also have the screws and the bolts all ready to erect up. Oh, exciting times here from Chessington. It's amazing when you come over and that's what you see. You see the Jaguar head. That has obviously nearly finished in terms of the exterior moulding they're putting on it. That will then be coloured and the track will be put around it. So it kind of makes sense that that's finished before the track goes up. Usually you find that the coaster goes in and then the theming goes in around it. But where the track is going to go around that, I imagine it'll be a bit of a pain in the what's-it to get that in afterwards. That's why that's being done first. Massive developments here at Chessington World Adventures. What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Let us know in the comments. Are you looking forward to this yet? I know a lot of people don't look forward to seeing mud and things on there, and we know we've had a few comments about that, but now it's starting to really pick up. Are you looking forward to the world of Jumanji here at Chessington World Adventures? Let us know. We will be back very soon because it's all going to kick off now.